Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to share album in Line app. So first of all, open the Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the chats option that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find various icons. So tap on the album icon that you can see at the top. Now you'll be able to see all the albums that you've created with a friend over here. So what you have to do is tap on the album that you would like to share. After you do that, that particular album will be opened. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, share album, that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on this option, share. Now you can see over here the album will be shared with the friend with whom you created this particular album. So like this, you'll be able to share the album. So that is how you share album in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.